welcome back to my channel. My name is Jadine for those who are new. Thank you for clicking on this video. For today's video, we are creating this no foundation look, perfect for summer and on days when you don't want to wear too much makeup. This is perfect if you want to achieve a natural glowy look. So if you want to see the process and all the products that I use to achieve this look, please keep on watching. But before you go, please click the subscribe button down below, and while you are there, please click the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. But before I keep you any longer with all my talking, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so like I mentioned before, we'll be doing a no foundation makeup tutorial today. But just because we're doing a no foundation look doesn't mean that the eye has to be boring. So speaking of which, we'll be starting with the eyes. And firstly, we'll go in with the Makeup Revolution Primer and Lock Long Wear Eyeshadow Primer. For today's look, as you saw in the intro already, I'm going to do this bronzy type of look that you can wear for every day, which is usually my go-to look when I'm trying to do something spicy. I really like using this primer, especially if I want to do like a glowy look, and also in summer, because it doesn't have this mattifying effect on the lid, which still looks very hydrating. And who doesn't want to look hydrated in summer? Now for the exciting parts, we're going to go in with our eyeshadow, and the palette I'm using for today's look is the Switch Beauty Slays for Days palette. One of my ride or die palettes, because of course it has all the wonderful neutral shades which you will need for everyday looks. This is really a palette that everyone should have. It's a must have, and also it's affordable. So the first shade that I'll be going in with is this warm brown shade, which I'll be using in my crease. We'll be using the shade to add some depth and dimension to the eye and some warmth as well. I'm just going to blow that out a bit to complement the bronziness I'll be adding to my face later. I think that's enough for the crease slash lid color, because as you can see I added a bit more than just in my crease area. It's mostly over the whole lid. I left the inner corner empty for the shimmer that I'll be adding later. The next shade I'm using is a bronzy rose gold shimmer shade, which I'll be putting in the inner corner just to brighten it up. This is really the perfect look for summer. So glowy and bronzy. For these kind of looks, you don't have to be super precise and perfect. Like, just go with the flow. Just blend some neutral shades together and then you have a look. I'm going to be starting with my face products now. To prime the face, I'll be using the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. So this is basically a serum with some like little glitter specks in it. But it doesn't really make your face glittery. And the smell of this is so nice. It smells like it looks. So I like adding this, especially in summer, if I want to get that glowy, flawless face with concealer only. It really makes the concealer sit so nice on the face. And it makes it blend so nice. It feels so good. Let's not forget the forehead, which I tend to do sometimes. Okay, now that the face is nice and primed and prepped, we can start with our concealer. Today I'm going to be going in with my Ride or Die concealers, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealers. I'm going to be using 3 different shades for today's look, and this is the shades. Hope you can see it. So the first shade that I'll be going in with is shade 30. This shade is like my skin tone basically, and it's perfect. I have gone through so many of these concealers, it's crazy because I love it so much. Even when I was working as a flight attendant, the grooming officers, they had no idea that I wasn't wearing any foundation to work because I was using this concealer, and I got away with it. Yay me. So I'm basically going to focus this concealer, well, this shade of concealer, in the center part of my face, and then we'll be blending it out to create a flawless base for today's look. I think that should do it. Let's just put some around the nose. I think that should be enough. Wait, let's add some more to the nose. I think that should be okay. Now I'll use my damp beauty blender to blend that out. I think I mentioned in my previous videos that I really don't like the full coverage foundation type of look. This is why I like going this route. Route or route? 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 That's why I like going this route. I like seeing my skin through my foundation. For me, that gives more of a dewy, sun-kissed, natural look, which I really, really like. And this concealer is perfect for that. It's a buildable concealer, so it can be full coverage if you want it to be. But if you like the medium coverage, then one layer should be enough for you. Now I'll be cream contouring with the deeper shade of this concealer in the shade 45. I'll be putting that around the perimeter of my face and my cheekbones and a little bit on my nose as well. Now we're going to blend it out. To blend out my nose contour, I'm going to be using my beauty blender again. For this natural look, I prefer using this beauty blender than a brush, just to give that natural finish. Now to add a little bit more dimension to the face, I'm going to be using the lighter shade of concealer that I have here, and this is in the shade 16. I'm going to put this right below my under eye area, a little bit on the forehead, and a tiny bit on the nose and chin. I'm not going to put too much under the eye because I really don't want to cover up my freckles because I really like them. So I'll just put a tiny bit over there. Once again, with our trusty beauty blender, I'm going to blend that out. Nice and awake we're looking already. Like I had 16 hours of sleep. Sounds amazing. I wish. I'm going to be taking another beauty sponge that I have from Juno & Co. And I'll be using this to just go over the face, pat it a bit, just to blend everything in smoothly. You don't want any harsh lines and patches of dark here and light there, so this helps with that. So now, to set everything in place, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. I'm not going to be using that much powder, so I just threw a tiny bit, and if you can see, I threw a tiny bit in this lid over here, and I'll be dipping my big fluffy face brush into it and then just dusting it lightly over the face. Because we don't want to lose that luminescence? We don't want to lose that dewiness that we have right now. Because it's all about the glow for summer. Now, because I took away some of the dewiness with the powder that I just applied, I'm going to add some bronzer to the cheeks just to bring back that glow. The bronzer that I'm going in with is from the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade palette, and the shade is called Enchantment. Look how glowy that is. It's so bronzy. Ooh, me like. I'm just gonna go ahead and warm up the whole face with this. Well, the perimeter of my face. Let's add some to the nose just for the lols. And we are bronzed. I'm going to go in with my favorite blush of all time, and it is the blush from the Alamar Cosmetics Trio Blush Palette, and it is in the shade Seclusion. This is a peachy toned blush, which I really like with that bronze look. Just adds more warmth to the face and complements it quite well. I love looking peachy. Now before I continue with the rest of my face, I'm just going to go off camera a bit and add some lashes and eyeliner. I'll be right back. Okay, we are back with my winged liner on and my lashes in full effect. I really wish I could tell you guys which lashes I use, but I unfortunately lost the package it came in because I keep all my lashes in this little plastic container, and yeah, that's gone with the wind. The liquid liner that I used is the Hank & Henry Slick With It Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner in the color Blickety Black. I got this in one of my BoxyCharm subscription boxes, and it is my ultimate favorite eyeliner. It is an eyeliner pen. See that it's an eyeliner pen, and the tip is like a brush, which gives me the perfect wings. It's just amazing. I don't know where I'm gonna find another one like this, so hopefully I can find a substitute for this. I decided to tight line off camera as well, but to finish the eye, I'm gonna use the Slays for Days palette again. I'm gonna use the same matte brown shade that I used on the lid to smoke out the black eyeliner I applied to my waterline. Before I add some mascara to the bottom lashes, I'm going to put some shimmer in the inner corner for inner corner highlights. I'm going to use a shade, the gold shade from the Slays for Days palette. Okay, so the shade isn't coming across as gold as I'd like it to be. Let's see if I can find a different shade. Okay, I found a nice gold shade in my Makeup Revolution Soap X palette. The gold shade. Okay, that is much better. There's more of a rich gold shade that I was hoping for. The other one was a bit more pinky. I think I'll use that same shade and pop that on my brow bone. Please don't follow my lead and do this after you apply your lashes, because essentially this will collect all the particles, but luckily it's not collecting that much, but just rather do it before you apply your falsies. Look how nice and glowy that looks. Now for some mascara. And for mascara, I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang mascara. There it is. I really like this mascara wand because it's very fine and it's perfect for the bottom lashes. It gets every hair literally. To complete this look, I'm going to add some highlighter, and instead of using an actual highlighter, I'm going to use the Start palette. It's the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette, and it looks like this. And that's what it looks like on the inside. Full of these beautiful shimmery bronzy tones. And I'm going to use a gold shade and pop that on the high points of my cheeks. Stunning that looks. Looks like I'm glowing from within. She's my favorite look. Let's pop some on the point of our nose with a little button nose look. And then we'll add some to the chin as well. Not too much. Now the final step, I'm going to do the lips, and for the lips I'm going to use the Catrice Cosmetics Pure Shine Color Lip Balm, and this is in the shade Don't Think, Just Pink. I really chose the right color for this look. So pinky and juicy. So that is the face all complete. I will check back with you guys so you can see the finished product all in its gloriousness. And I'll be right back.